Hi, welcome back. You are once again with Mudassir. English with Mudassir. I hope you are fine. In today's lecture, I will be talking about how to make passive sentences of future simple tense. Future simple tense के passive sentences हम किस तरह बना सकते हैं? If you don't have subscribed my channel, first subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Let's begin. So here, how we can change future simple tense to passive voice. Here I wrote the active structure. Here I will be writing the passive structure of future simple tense. So first, look at the structure of positive sentences. Positive sentences. Subject, shall will, plus first form of verb, rest of the sentence. This active structure will change to the passive structure. Subject, shall be, will be, plus third form of verb and rest of the sentence. I wrote two sentences here. He will cancel the paper. I told you in the previous videos, the object will exchange his place with the subject. Subject or object अपनी जगह बदलेंगे. They will change your places. So we will change this sentence like the paper. Look at the structure. Will be. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Third form of the word. By specific agent. The objective case of he is him. Got it? The paper will be cancelled by him. This is the passive structure of this sentence. Look at another sentence. They will play cricket. Cricket will be played by specific agent and they will change to them. Got it? This object will go to the place of subject and this subject will go to the place of object. So them is the objective case of they. Look at the negative sentences. Negative are those sentences in which there is no verb. Subject plus shall will plus not plus first form of verb and rest of the sentence. This structure will change to this one. This is the active structure, this is the passive structure. Got it? Subject plus shall will plus not plus be plus third form of verb and rest of the sentence. If you know the structure of a sentence, you can change it easily. अगर आपको टेंस की स्ट्रक्चर का पता हो, तो आप आसानी के साथ वो बना सकते हैं. Here I wrote two sentences. She will not type this paper. Object will take the place of subject. This paper will not be typed by specific agent and she will change to her. Her is the objective case of she. This paper will not be typed by her. Second sentence, we shall not cut this tree. This tree will not be cut. So the three forms are the same. Cut. By specific agent. We change to us. Us is the objective case of we. This tree will not be cut by us. Got it? Now coming to interrogative sentences. Interrogative are those sentences in which there is a question and sign of interrogation in the last of the sentence, and sentence should be started from the helping verb. Helping verb से start होगी, question होगी, end में question mark होगी. Got it? I wrote two sentences. This structure will change to this one. Shall will plus subject plus be plus third form of verb and rest of the sentence. Shall we take tea? Got it? Shall we take tea? Tea. So with tea we will use will. When tea, be, take, took, taken. By a special agent, and we will change to us. I told you us is the objective case of we. There should be a question mark, a sign of interrogation. Got it? Second sentence, will she sing a song? A song. A song. A song we will use will. Look at the structure. Well, a song, be, sing, sang, sung. Will a song be sung by a special agent, and she will change to her. The objective case of she is her. So will a song be sung by her? If you know tenses very well, so you can change these tenses easily to passive voice. अगर आपको tenses आते हो तो आप आसानी के साथ उसकी passive voice बना सकते हो. और दूसरी चीज important ये structure है. अगर आपको ये structure याद हो कि हम active structure को passive structure में किस तरह change कर सकते हैं, फिर आप काबिल हो जाएंगे कि आप हर किस्म के structure को सेंटेंस को आसानी के साथ पैसिव वॉइस में तब्दील कर सकते हैं. If you have any question regarding future simple tense, you can write in comment section. Like my video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for your time.